Mic test. Okay. Mic test. Okay. Dude, for fun, I'm just gonna see if there's a new frickin' Unity version, cause you never know. Five, okay. Pop some shoes on. Noticing the camera kind of going dark to light. Let's fix that. All right, done. To warm up, let's add, we got a $1 donation while offline yesterday. From Rainbow Kappa 789. very. What's up, Norox? How was your Christmas, man? I saw that there was a follow from you offline. I was like, what happened? Did your... Like, why? How? Am I Greek? Not... I mean, technically I've never done the Ancestry.com site. But to my knowledge, no. However, I do love... What's that chickpea dish? I don't know why it's slipping my mind right now. Not tabbouleh. The, whatever. God damn it. I'll Google it. Hummus. I do love their cuisine. It's pretty tough on the palate for Americans, like, who have like no anything. Why do you ask? That'd be weird.
Grandpa, would you like to dance?
What the fuck? Wait, what am I watching? It won't rewind. Huh. That was some kind of robotic dancing thing. So, dude, this stream, excuse my voice, So this stream, I'm hoping everyone will share their Christmas story, their gifts, hopefully some like imgers of what they got from Christmas. Anything. I'm hoping. It really, so. Oh, Norox. Norox, will you remind me where you're from, please? As far as like geography. I want to say something. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. And the reason why I asked was because I didn't know that was a Greek thing. I thought that was a USA thing. Go figure that out. No, I've been using Xmas for Christmas for a long time.
Obi Trice, real name.
Wait, why didn't that? So loud.
Two trailer park girls go round the outside, round the outside. Guess who's back? I create. Two trailer park girls go round the outside.
I want to get the best sample of Eminem saying "Guess who's back." But I don't know, it's so mixed. I don't want to play the sample a lot because
Two trailer park girls go round the outside. The outside, round the outside, round the outside.
you can't. I don't want to play it a bunch because YouTube will grab it.
Guess who's
It's gotta be here.
Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
I didn't even know there was a girl moaning that. I never noticed it before.
Guess who's back? Back again. Shady. Friend. Guess who's back? 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 Guess who's back?
I think I'm gonna use that as my second one.
Guess who's back? 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 Guess who's back?
Not getting. So, you don't want to share any details about Christmas? Because I'd love to hear something.
Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess
That'll work. Let's try it. Let's call this all right. Dude, like really? Why is it keeping the extension? Export audio, OGG. Mhm.
Guess who's back? Back again.
What's up, Kappa? Dude, I saw that super, super generous, considerate gift. This morning. I could not believe my eyes. Merry Christmas to you. What happened? Did you get some Christmas money and shared the wealth, or? Let's see. That's awesome, dude.
Guess who's back? Back again.
I can't believe it, man. I just
Guess who's back? Back again.
I never expected that. Awesome. So this stream, I'm hoping to get hear your to get some ideas what happened in your Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. To me, it's all been Thanksgiving. Just a lot of thankfulness and giving. No, but Christmas. And if you're a Hanukkah person or whatever, just mix it all together, okay?
Guess who's back? Back again.
What I want to hear some stories, preferably get some pictures of some gifts you got. You know, especially if they're at all game or development or computer, battle station related, you know. Would love some imgers of that, but anything. What happened yesterday with the stream? Oh, yeah. You mean, what do you mean what happened? What do you mean what didn't happen? Do you mean what didn't happen? You mean the fact that I was not live yesterday? If that's what you mean, yeah. I know I had so many plans to stream on the holidays, but I always had an asterisk in that if Dazzler, who I live with, and she does so much for the Bonozo apps and on this channel. that if I felt that I needed to, because when I'm live, I don't spend any time with her. You were hyped for the Santa fight? Oh, man. Me too. That weekend went so fast. I barely even... That weekend went so fast. It was like... I don't know. But we went out to watch Christmas lights. I'll show you. Let me see something. I know, man. I would probably feel a lot worse, except I was actually, thank gosh, pretty clear that there was an asterisk. Dude, I planned on that for a month. I had my wardrobe planned for Christmas like 2 months in advance. I'm not kidding at all. It did not go as planned. I just hope you guys understand. I mean, I just spent Christmas with Dazzler, basically. She got me this shirt. She got me something else I'm about to show you. Yeah, I mean, please tell me you forgive me. Please tell me you understand. But I did watch Warcraft movie on Christmas. Exactly. Yeah, I just went live, and I thought of you guys the entire time. A peck. Perfect. So, who's first? Anyone got pictures of their gifts they got, of something they could share? A nice imgur, anything? Nice photo on Dropbox. Love to see what you guys got, especially if it's at all Geek Nation related. You know what I mean? You know, if you got a freaking Nintendo pillow or a copy of Watch Dogs, whatever it is. No pictures. Why? 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 Come on. I really... How about a story? Really? No one's gonna share their Christmas presents? No one got anything they really are blown away by? I'm about to share one. I just shared my shirt. How do you not... Oh, what up, Sergeant? Shit, you know I don't care about that. It's not like I'm Shit, really? Dude, that ain't HD. What? We should have told him to get you a new freaking camera. Oh, you got a new phone and a lot of gift cards? Nice. You don't want to share a picture of that? What kind of gift cards did you get? Underwear? If they're gaming related, I do. If you got a picture of Mike Tyson's Punch Out right on your underoos, do it. You got a shirt on it with ghosts on it that only appear in the dark. So it's like Ghost in the Shell. It's like, I ain't afraid of no ghost. So didn't they know Halloween was... Okay, so you gotta wait how long to wear that? Steam, Amazon, and GameStop? Damn. That's a freaking score. That, wow. You did good. Wow, what are you gonna... By the way, ladies and gentlemen, Rainbow Kappa on Christmas, while I was offline, did a $1 donation. He's rolling in it with the Steam, Amazon, and GameStop cards. Wow, that's really freaking amazing. All this time you thought you needed a U.S. tax number? No. To be able to upvote, I believe, and these kind of things have a tendency to change a lot, but I believe you just need to have bought one game on Steam for at least $5. And that enables you to be an upvoter. And it's a way to reduce upvote spam. So we support it. Are you saying you're able to upvote Showmaster and Greenlight now, or do you just still, and that you hadn't before? Is that because that would be some more beautiful Christmas presents? So Vespros, tell me more about your Christmas presents. Oh. You, man. Good job. Vespros, tell me more. I mean, a shirt with ghosts on it that appear in the dark. Glow in the dark ghost shirt. Tell me. How come, Sarge's gonna be sharing a picture soon. I'm gonna show you mine in just a moment. Shoot. Anyone that has a donation has my attention, I promise you that. Go ahead. I will warn you though. If it's regarding shaving my head bald, those are for charity only events. I don't fucking know what I'm saying. Who cares? Shoot, what is it? Gonna add 2 more welcome back sounds. Bizarrely, 2 of them are gonna be Eminem because I didn't want to make it one. I don't know. I just want to see what they sound like, and I'll make up my mind later. I'm not super happy with this implementation, but we'll give it a shot. Ooh. Despero got some cool soap. Oh, do I want to play Felicity Plus on stream tonight? Yes, I do. Oh, yeah, sure. No, your tweets. Yeah, consider that done. Yeah. What? Wait, Despero. Despero. That's bros. Bro. Bro. Bro, who do you live with? I can tell you're stoked, but who is buying you 2 glow in the dark related things? One of them being soap. Who? 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 Those are some crazy Christmas gifts. Ooh. Do you feel the deep power? It's a keyboard your cousin got me. Loving it better than your Dell keyboard you got from a yard sale. Have I seen the site Mass Drop? No. Oh. Community. What? Everything on Mass Drop is chosen, created, or inspired by our enthusiast communities. Okay. Well, I really love quilting. What do you want to see here on a peck? And I'll take a look. I'll come back. Mechanical keyboards. Fuck. Is this a big deal? Let me see.
How's it going, friends? Reckless Yuki here. I hope you guys are doing awesome. And in this video, I want to take a little time to talk about Mass Drop and answer the question, is it safe or is it a scam? And I'm going to use my own personal experience to answer that question because I recently ordered a Bonix caster from them, which is supposed to be in this box here. And I haven't opened it yet. I haven't verified the contents. I figured I'd do that on camera in this video because I thought it would really tie in and incorporate with the topic. And in the eyes of Mass Drops, I'm just an average consumer. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. They definitely don't sponsor me. I don't get free stuff from them.
Okay.
So by me doing this, I'm basically doing a review of their service for the average consumer by the average consumer, all right? So hopefully you guys enjoy. And if you are unfamiliar with what Mass Drop is, it's basically a site that you have to log in to actually see what they have to offer, which I've always thought was a little shady. But basically, it gets people together who are interested in a product, and if a lot of people vote on a single product, then I guess the workers or the people over at Mass Drop will try to get in contact with that company or that manufacturer and give it to you at a cheaper price. So I thought it was really cool, and that's why I got the Bonix caster, because on Amazon this was going for about $68, and I found it on Mass Drop for $50, but I had to pay about $8 shipping. but I still overall got it for $10 cheaper than I would have if I ordered on Amazon. But the kind of counter to that is it takes a little bit longer for you to receive it from Massdrop. So it really depends on if you want the product now within the 2 days with the 2-day shipping of Amazon, or if you want to save some bucks and, get it about a week later and, still have the same product. So anyways, without further ado, we're going to open this up with the help of my big ass knife. And we're going to see if this is really what I ordered, because I'm kind of curious, and I'm sure you guys are also curious, especially those guys who are kind of on the fence with them and you don't know whether or not you should trust them, which I definitely didn't trust them until I started seeing a larger tech tuber called Jay's 2 Cents. He's sponsored by them, and he gets a lot of free stuff to advertise on his channel. And I trust him and his opinions because I think he's a stand-up, outstanding guy. And so once he started getting sponsored from them, that's when I made an account. I started looking and kind of seeing what they had to offer. And then once I saw they had a Myonix caster, that's when I decided to take the plunge and order the first thing. And it turns out, holy crap, they sent me a Myonix caster. So that's pretty cool. As far as I know, it is the legit product, and it's definitely sealed. Like, I can't open it. It has a little plastic here, so let's open that too. All right. There's some more at the bottom. Here's a second.
That's not a knife. All right, here we go for the frickin'.
All right. So, it looks like I got the Myonix caster. So yeah, so I think overall their website is legit. I think this just basically validates that they are legit, and basically what happened was...
All right, so I get it. I'm familiar with a couple things that do this. People do this for Kickstarter as well, believe it or not. A lot of people will... This is the Kickstarter thing as well. Okay. Unfortunately, this doesn't do much for me because I don't actually buy anything name brand. Except maybe computer parts if I need them to be, reliable. I'm such a cheap shopper. I don't ever buy name brand anything. I barely buy anything. I only buy stuff for the stream. That's it. But good turning on to this. I don't know if I'm going to sign up right now. Spending, not happening. But no, that makes sense. If I was more of a balling out of control person, if I had my lead programming income, I would be looking for ways to save. Nice. I love backlit keyboards. I'm a sucker for them. I have. It's kind of like a requirement. I feel like everything, every keyboard has to be backlight or just get out of here. Good job. Merry Christmas to him. Yes, bros. I was hoping, now that we've made it through Christmas, we still got New Year's. I was hoping that you could tell me exactly how to pronounce your username. Because isn't Des French and bro? I just don't know. No, Trace, no. What up, Rogue Anarchy? I'll call you Rogue for saying that. Absolutely, everything is a conspiracy. It's kind of like capitalism at work. Like, it's designed that way. The S Bros. The S Bros. The S Bros. But everyone just calls you Bros. Pleasure to make your acquaintance today, Anarchy. By the way, man, I think that you're new. So if you dev, we would love to hear about your dev world. Like, where you're at with Unity or whatever. And also, if you got anything cool for Christmas, man, share an image. Fez Bros. That might work. Mass drop is mostly for electronics. Right. Because they're all marked up. Like, a lot of electronics, like razors and everything, they have like these, they're like so marked up. When you buy a lot of these products now that are like, you're pay for their marketing. Their entire budget is advertising, and you're paying it for that. I'm not complaining. That's just how our system works. Though I have to say, I've been up and down about Alienware from day one. Sometimes I feel like they're good deals. Other times I feel like they're scams. I can't even. I don't know how to put that category. What do you guys think about Alienware? Besides that, we all wish we had one, but if you don't already. So I added 2 Eminem riffs. I know Eminem might not be everyone's favorite musician. You either love him or hate him, pretty much. I love him, but admittedly, his music is very specific and doesn't really apply to every situation. But I did add 2 Eminem welcome back riffs. Alienware is not a scam, just overpriced. Yeah. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome Rogue Anarchy. Definitely knows how to have some fun on the stream. That's right. The shipping is expensive from outer space. Damn, I don't even have a UFO widget. That would have been nice. All right. I got this crazy idea. I want to just spend a little bit of time on it before we move forward. I'm thinking about adding a basic tabletop simulator type thing to Showmaster. I just thought to start, maybe we could just add real quickly a God. And I'll show you what we're going to do with it over time. Yeah. I wonder if there's any real good ones in here. Thousand images about hexagon tile map. Did I say there'll be a New Year's Eve? I did. But however, I'd also promised a Christmas Eve and Christmas, and those did not happen. And so I think I think I've kind of proven that promising streams on major holidays may not always work out. What does that say about a... I'm going to pull back on that. A fast and easy tool for making old school hex maps. Hexographer. Right. Like, I really wanted to. I think the answer is going to be no. I think I'm better off just saying no than... By the way, the Yes Bros, I did get a response from the Whirly dev in regards to how to get that Assassin's Creed, etc., to play properly. We might take a look at that later in the stream. Assassin's Creed movie experience to... I think I'm going to add a section for RPG tools. Just because I discovered that and I think it's cool. Let's call it, yeah. I think I spelled it wrong. We're not going to make a map right now. Let's see what this looks like. HTML? No. Save picture. You can't. I can't rip that picture? God damn you. Why is LastPass in my thing? Fuck. Pisses me off a little bit. I can't rip that picture as easy as I hoped. Samples. Right. Cubara. Turnia continent. Man, there's not very many samples. Kind of boring. All right, let's do it. I think I have an RPG folder in Showmaster. RPG. I'll make a new folder called Maps. And we'll save it. So let's get on to some more important stuff while this is all happening. The Yes Bros. Let me go straight into this. So it is time for me to line up the sponsors for the GDS, the GameDev Streamer Awards. Just need that home page a little more pizzazzish. Did I spell that wrong? Pizzazzish. Pizzazz. Pizzazz. Let's Google how to spell pizzazz. Where'd it go? Guess it wants me to save this first. I don't know. Messed up. Assets. Resources. No. It's at no, maps. Oh, maybe those should be his resources. Oh, we'll just keep it here for now. I'm gonna just call it hex map. Well, that name will be good. Ah, it's with pizzazz. 4 Z's. What a cool word. Huh. I'm glad I Googled that. Pizzazzish. That homepage needs some pizzazz. Stat. It's kind of whatever me and the S Bros decide how we want to launch it. I'd like to get his feedback on that when he thinks, how he thinks. What do you think the easiest way is just to kind of get to this to go? I mean, least amount of. I'm still in IRL? God damn it. Thank you for pointing that out. That's lame. I know I was forgetting something. I guess it's not the worst thing ever. RPG asks, I'm sorry, ROG asks, have you heard the Eminem album track Infinity? Yes. That's the new one. Right? Or no? Isn't that the new one? Or no, with or Infinite? Oh wait, no, that's the old. Was that his first one? Is that his first track? I heard it. Oh wait, here's the 20th remaster.
Have been rising to the top, and that's particularly in the music industry.
To watch female artists break through.
Okay, you girls just don't have enough going on. Is that the problem?
After dark we come.
I'm sorry for slow to that.
Sandy whack when just a fraction of my tracks run. My rhyming skills got you climbing hills. I travel through your.
I used to have this 6 CD of all of Eminem's song recordings before he got famous. I think I don't have it anymore. Yeah, it's been remastered. Did you see that? Yeah, I haven't heard it in a long time. But I did have it, and then did you see that? They're re-releasing it. Did you hear how young he sounded? That was pretty cool. Yeah. Well, I think you only get tagged for 30 seconds. I think you got to do, and I'm not the master of this, and we'll find out later. I think it's got to be 30 seconds. Otherwise, everything is awesome. We'll get busted every time we get a follow, for example. All right, we saved this stupid map already. Let's move on. So it's time. What do you think? All right. I know you're in the chat, by the way. It just means there's official inquiry. Let's see what size this is. I'm just curious. All right. Cool. 1024 by 1024. Perfect. Now, what's the easiest way to make a map? Let's just add a folder. Well, it's not a folder. A empty node. I'm gonna call it RPG for rocket propelled games. Role propelled grenade. Role playing grenade. Fucking brilliant. Be free. Be free here. Merry Christmas, Be Free. And hello, Chozilla, Somorori, Kiki Dank. I want to see everyone sharing some Christmasness. Preferably a nice little imgur of what you something you got on Christmas. Just as long as it's not rainbow soap, because that's kind of like a weird gift. The irony, Rainbow Kappa, like rainbow soap. Rainbow Kappa was like, yeah, that's perfect. The flirts are real. Yeah, Kappa Santa. Is that called Kappa Santa? I've been looking for that. Kappa Claus, right, right. You got my mother for Christmas. That sounds like it sounds like you made out better than charcoal. But not by much. Aw. Alright. UI. I didn't know you could get trolled on livecoding.net, to be honest. I didn't even know you could. I thought only professional programmers would roll in there. UI image. Well, I don't want to tell you why. Sorry. I'm sorry. I just can't. Let's make this into a sprite. And we will ignore all these settings because they're freaking insane. Oh, they're not that bad. And we will make a map. Keep wanting a dungeon instead of map, but whatever. We'll just live with it. Hex. Do you guys like hex maps? They're a lot harder to play on. I think they look better than a grid, but they are definitely a lot harder to nav on. Where's preserve aspect ratio? There it is. Let's do 0, 0, and just... That's the aspect ratio? Preserved? Let's by height. Just playing with some numbers here, messing around, trying to figure out, is it 960? No, it's like 8. 820. Yeah. We'll just. Oh wait, hold on. Totally weird. I think I will. I'll try not. Let's not tie up the whole screen. Let's just try that for now. You're... I don't know. I don't understand. Like, it's not even... That's not even funny. So Be Free actually has streamed before. Agar.io modding. Oh, I see. Okay, so is he kind of like a... Okay. He's from France, maybe. I'll tell you what, I'll give you a follow. Not at least like that way I'll know where my mom is. You know what I'm saying? How do I do that? Follow. There. All right. Let's see what he sounds like. Okay.
This even as the context is changing.
I tend not to try to play a lot of music that's not royalty free. You know, this stream I probably already goofed it all up. I would like to hear more. Here's an upvote. Oh, look forward to seeing. Guess you're a game dev if you're gonna mod Agar or whatever. Okay. So map. Let's add a command event and start enable. We'll call this map. We'll call this map for now. Description old map. RPG map. There. Let's try it.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
I want to change that. I could almost use one of my welcome back sounds. DS Bros is, what the F is your problem with soap? No Kappa. Aw. Why did that work? Okay, it's there. Tell me about this rainbow soap, that DS Bros, just so we could get this out in the open. Now, it looked like it was like handmade, like made with love, like made by like an independent soap maker. I've been in the skincare business, and so we would make soaps, and in Fight Club they make soap, and they would like break in and steal like human fat to make soap, and I mean, this looks more like candy. I mean, this looks so sharp that if you were trying to wash yourself with it, you'd actually cut yourself. He's really like, what is up with you and soaps? Why are you riffing on my rainbow soap? Black soap. Wash yourself with some black soap. No, you know what soap? I like mess around with a lot of different kind of soaps because I'm in skincare business a little bit. And did you ever try the caffeine soap? Yeah. Looks like a square crayon. See, it's not just me. It looks like a Hello Kitty gone bad. Like evil Hello Kitty. Like Goodbye Kitty. Why did the map not show? That's weird. Start enabled. Oh, I gotta do an event here. Oh. Oh, maybe it's like that. Oh yeah, it's what's the name of that cat? Gosh, we should remember. We should know that name. It's the what's it called?
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
The Pop-Tart cat. You guys, we don't want to bum the S Bros out. That GIF is from yeah, the Nyan. That's right, Nyan cat, neon, whatever. Yeah. Oh, neon. Is it neon? Yeah. It's okay. I knew what you meant. It's that Pop-Tart cat. RPG role-playing grenade. Let's see. I'm trying to see what's how the flags worked. Command switch. Oh, is that what we want? A command switch? I think we do. Okay, let's try it. Forgot to use our own tool. Toggle. Got it. Let's try it now. Eventually, I do want to convert this to 3D,
Welcome,
but I
ladies
thought
and
about it,
gentlemen.
and I was like, let's just do a 2D version to start with. A little small. Well, it'll be bigger. It'll be like... Oh, it's pretty small. But you know how we've been adding role-playing game elements to Showmaster? We're going to integrate a little bit of a map to it too. And there's more reasons in this than just that. First though, while I'm on it, since Rainbow Kappa donated $1, it reminds me that we do need to do give experience for donations. Oh, we don't know exactly who the striker. We might not know who the donator is. Let's see. Receive donation. At the time, let's see. NQ. The fuck is this? I don't know what that is. NQ. What up, Chokma? There's one of our new welcome back samples. Chokma, Merry Christmas. Merry effing Christmas. You guys, if you're just rolling up in here off your Christmas food hangover, Hoping you'll share some imgers of something you got for Christmas, as long as it's not soap. Only if it's soap. How's that? Is that better? Donation alert. Aw. Coincidence. Daisy? Days. Oh. Oh, did you guys bump into each other? Or you guys know each other? Did I ever try your game demo? I don't think I have, Striker. It'd be my pleasure to play your game. I'm gonna play Kappa's, and then I can play yours. Are you? Is it ready Yeah, we can do that. Absolutely. Oh, really? Days, you moderate for him? Is it true that Amazon is basing its lumberyard dev in Texas? I don't know. Does that... I mean, I know they haven't... I don't know. Does that matter? Why are you going? Do you want to? Are you going to get a job or? Dr. Mick got sick. Merry Christmas. Yeah, I hit like on everything you do, bro. I already have it liked. Oh, what's this about? Let's go back. Sure. If anyone wants to like Strikers, you should follow him on Twitch first. So you want me to play? All right, that wasn't a link to your build. I don't see a build link here. Oh, this? Oh, download mega. My bad. Is this your demo? That's fine. By the way, Dr. Mick et al., we're trying to get some imgers of anyone's Christmas gifts. Preferably related to glowing in the dark. You know what I mean? Anything with the word dark in it. Like rainbow in the dark or ghost shirts that only glow in the dark. Something like that. Okay. I do want to take a look at this donation alert thing. Why is RPG Manager on the donation thing? That doesn't belong here. H is there for the help. Nice. Well, we're not going to frickin' do a damn thing unless we get some more pictures of Christmas presents. Only 2 people have submitted. Days showed us a new keyboard, which was hype. And Vespros shared some soap. I mean, I don't know why he took the picture at this really weird camera angle. Is that his keyboard right there? Look how much room he has to put it. You got a driver's license for Christmas? Wow. No, that's cool. Depower. This looks nice. The image quality. I'm just kidding. Let's get some more of that. I'll show you what I got too. I got this shirt. I shot the dev, but I didn't shoot the QA tester. Yeah, I just wrote that. I found a bug here. The RPG manager does not belong here. Okay. Got it. Your birthday, January, so technically birthday present equals Christmas present, but as official presents, I got a whole lot of chocolate. Image quality on my phone says 720, then importing computer is 360. Days needed a phone for Christmas. Kappa got a new phone and a bunch of gift cards. He donated $1. Rainbow Kappa donated $1 on Christmas when I was even offline. And I'm trying to award XP for that. I'm not. Tips response, count limit, offset status. Tips. I'm not really. Stream tip. I'm not really sure why. How to do it. Stream tip response, stream tip donation, message. All right, let's open this. Good, good. I just saw some article today that says using computer screens makes you dumb. I think that explains everyone on Twitch. No. Just kidding. That would be me. I would be making fun of myself. That would be dumb. Oh, proves the point. I just proved it. Stream tip controller. Okay. This is nice code, man. Message, name. Okay, there's the name. How come I can't? What the fuck? A plus sign? What does that mean? Are you trolling? I don't think Rainbow Kappa's still here. Oh, he tweeted though. Ah! We got another picture, finally. This is another one. He got a new phone. That's the way. How come webcam toy? What is hashtag webcam toy? Take fun photos with webcam toy? Is that you, Rainbow Kappa? Is that you? She looks like she's having fun. Is she licking her? Yeah. Fuck. Serious question. You sometimes feel a bit hubris when creating for your games? Feel a bit of hubris? Does that mean like... I think the answer is kind of like, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah, making dev... I believe it's what keeps us going. Every time you like implement a feature and it works good or anything like that, yeah. It's not the actual word I use, but it's not bad. I ain't mad. Gotcha. Yeah. She needs to come to this stream. We'll frickin' cheer her up. You think I'm kidding? Here, watch this. Watch. I'm trolling. Now I'm trolling. We saw you checking out. We saw you while checking out the hashtag. Thought you looked sad. Come by and we'll cheer you up. Merry Xmas. Come by to get cheered up. Wow. Thought you looked sad. Come by and get cheered up. Oh my god, why did I do that? I don't know why. It's just kind of a weird picture to take. She actually isn't super sad. She might be one of those people that says, no, my smiles are upside down. I wrote sad, not depressed. Well, actually, we found out something new about her not knowing what Twitch is. Oh, shizzle. Fuck. Actually, we found something out about that. Let me show you. First off, I want to tell you guys, I came across a new, as you know, this stream has always been obsessed with trying to find the best free video editing tool. There's basically none. There's Windows Movie Maker, but the minute you need to have more than one, do anything, you realize it's too limited. And I think I found one. I'm going to pull it up because now is the perfect time. And I bet you none of you have heard of it. No, I don't know that. Let's see if any of you have heard of this. Now, I'm not sure. I heard just through my own Tulsa YouTube's Facebook group that Twitch is our sister site for Twitch Tulsa. There's a video editing tool. It's really made for like, it's not really made for video editing, but it does video editing. It's more made for like color stuff. Professional on there. Color correcting. Let's freaking try it. You guys hype? It's free. Fuck if I know. Do I need to? Test at test.com. I mean, I don't want to troll you guys, but I thought it was free. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You guys want to give this a whirl? Let's put it straight into the trash can. No, we'll put it straight into the bin folder. We'll go into no. Easy vid, open shot. I'm gonna open a freaking trailer now. Are you sure those are any good? What I mean by good is they should support multiple tracks. You know, Blender does it too, but damn, have you tried to do that? Man, I gotta hear from the S bro. I hope. I'm afraid that he's hanging himself over the getting ripped on about the soap. EasyVid is trash. Yeah. I'll write that you wrote that. Oh, but Rainbow Kappa says no. EasyVid isn't. OpenShot is. That's what he says. See how I did that? There. Well, we're trying DaVinci Resolve today. This is all. Rainbow Kappa wrote. Okay. Did it download? Oh, it's still downloading. Let me. I don't need that. I want to name this. Almost done. And I'm trying to see how this message is displayed. I don't see it. Receive donation. NQ? What does NQ mean? Play fireworks. Show alert. To string N2. Oh, wow. What is this? Oh, this is some xmas Pro stuff. Okay, I think we're finally on the on target. It's in shit. Oh, let's go to no. Here it is. No, where's the text? N2. Man, I don't know how it works. Text Text Mesh Pro GUI text name. To string N2. What does that mean? Is that like a number? I don't know what that does. Oh, that's a printf C# printf thing. All right, cool. Nice. So that's pretty cool. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do is where it says show name. Fuck. I'm not sure how we get the user data. We gotta find a user data by name. Let's see if we can even get. No. How do we get the? Donation.name. Where is it? Show alert. Okay. DQ? Fuck. Is that? Man, I don't know what DQ does. I guess it's push and pop. I'm gonna assume it's kind of like a push and a pop. Let's try this. Name. So we need to find a user data by name now that we got it. You don't like that? What? Despros, it still says I'm streaming Christmas lights? Still? Shut the front door. Well, when you mentioned the IR... What? Man... Is that how the alert went out? No, that is not the frickin' what? Dude, thanks, bro. That's not what it's supposed to be saying right now. What? Oh, man, that's train wreck. That's frickin' train wreck. That is some embarrassing shit. God damn it. Really? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I need some water. All my other streams on Beam and Hitbox are all correctly. Mint! Minty fresh. Mint, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh, it did start the correct title? Yeah. That's lame. No, this isn't. No, you're not. This is not meant to be drank out of. But I swear on everything, it's freaking convenient. It's got a handle. Mint, Merry Christmas, dude. What did you get for Christmas, and what did you? Don't correct me if I'm wrong, and please, if I take this shot in the dark and I'm wrong, please forgive me. Do you have children? Because if you did, what did you get them for Christmas? Thanks, Be Free. No. We want to do a search for user data by name. Why did that work? Crap. Well, we're trying to share images of stuff that we got for Christmas. And I got the shirt. I shot. What's another Bob Marley song? I'm gonna show you some other stuff I got shortly. Let's save this. We got Indie Bros who donated $1 while I was offline like a boss. That's why I'm updating a little bit of the experience. Rainbow Kappa 79. Fucking JPEG large. Nope. I hope Zelda Ethan comes by. See if he got what he wanted. I saved that picture. But we got Days got a keyboard. The S Bros got some rainbow soap. Also. I'm sorry, Rainbow Kappa. Did I say Indie Bros? I'm losing my mind. I apologize. Thanks for the correction. No, I meant Rainbow Kappa. Absolutely, I meant Rainbow Kappa. The download finish. They got some new dresses, a remote helicopter, and computer games. Now we're talking. And you got a new mouse? All right. You want to share a picture of that mouse? Or is this an inconvenient time? What games did you get your fam bam? That's what we want to know here, bro. That's the real question. By the way, let me test DaVinci. You need to go buy a new mouse soon? Are you gonna use that site that Apec was talking about? What was it? Massive dump? What was it called? It wasn't Massive Dump? I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I don't want to poop on the parade. I'm kidding. Ah, crap, an installer. That pisses me off. I'm pretty sure I downloaded it. I'll check. Hold on. Don't worry. I'll check again. I downloaded it, I think. Look. Show all. There it is. I got it. By the way, if you're seeing me on Periscope or Twitter, please tweet us a picture of your Christmas gifts. If you want to DM it, but go ahead. It's 1 a.m. Too tired. What games? We want to know what games. Come on, man. This should be done already. I ran it. Not really. What? Post gre SQL? Whatever, dude. I'm worried. What did I just do? Any recommendations for mice? Yikes. No. I don't know. Yeah, a touch screen for your PC would be the bomb. I hope this program's good. You gotta go in 10 minutes. Why? I gotta play Kappa's games first. We're getting close though. Database server. I could have guessed that, but thank you for clarifying. I just... Why? For video editing. Ow. The fuck? Oh, what the hell did I just install? It was? That didn't look like it was. That's the weirdest. Gotta get up early tomorrow. I'm gonna donate some blood for the first time. Damn, you must really need some, Alright, welcome to Resolve 12.5. We're learning. We're all learning. This might be the free video editing software of our dreams. We don't know. Should we explore? What's new? Oh, I didn't mean to click that. God damn it. With over 250 new features and 1,000 refinements, Resolve 12.5 is our best release yet. Let's walk you through some of them so you're ready to roll. Review video and audio together. You can now overlay the audio waveform on your source viewer to review video and audio at the same time. That's a new feature. Look at that crappy quality video. Actually, I kind of like it. Smarter relinking. Resolve now gives you smarter relinking of offline clips so you can relink media fast. Okay. Advanced speed controls. A new intuitive and easy way to create smooth transitions between speeds. New title tools. Edit and resize directly in the viewer instantaneously with a more natural action. Fusion Connect. Now your visual effects and composition clips can be sent to Fusion. They are then automatically updated in your Resolve timeline. What's Fusion? Temperature and tint sliders. We've added temperature and tint sliders, giving you a simple and powerful way to color correct. The spatial noise reduction tool has been dramatically improved. That's nice. Nodes now allow you to overwrite connections, copy settings, as well as selecting nodes. We've also expanded our FX library, providing loads of extra effects such as film grain, lens flare, and lens blur. You just added lens flare? Now you can export your project in just a couple of easy steps for virtually any format you need. Go check it out. Okay. I'm kind of excited. You're all set. VS Pros, you've been using this for about a year? This program right here? Really? Resolve needs posts for the projects. It only starts it when it's open. Oh wow, the S. I didn't. Well, go figure, man. Dude, that's awesome. Loading waveform monitor. Loading waveform monitor. Here's the project manager. Let's do a. Okay. Let's see. Let me just cut to the chase and let's just see if I can do stuff. I got a video I want to. This is in regards to something Rainbow Kappa said. Let's see if this will even work. If I just go. No. What? Would you like to change your timeline frame rate and video format to match? No, because I want to see what they are originally. Let's see. 720, 29. Okay. Where are they? I like it. I like what I see already. I really do. I just found out about this program just a couple weeks ago, and I've been meaning to try it. I'm pretty excited. Where are its settings? Let's see. Preferences. It's pretty advanced. Project settings. Okay. 1920 by 1080 pixel aspect ratio. Timeline frame rate 24. Okay. Let's try that again and go yeah. Yeah, let's change it and see if it worked. Project settings to 30. Okay. Wait, that was the timeline format. I don't fucking know. Can I play?
Ruining it, you made it better.
That shit was loud. Sorry. Fuck. That shit was so loud.
What's wrong with the hug?
Actually, it doesn't look that
Can you
hard.
guys dance?
I'm in with the man.
Like do like a Chris Vince dance?
I didn't hug the guy that we ruined, but sure, he's fine.
There, Dub.
He seems like a nice guy.
feel really bad. I'm sorry.
Why? I'm actually streaming it live
Oh, you are?
on Twitch right now. It's on Twitch?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on Twitch right now.
There's no teenager that does not know Twitch.
Really?
Or at least I've seen that.
Do you want
Did you hear that, Rainbow Kappa? Did you hear what he said? Did you hear that? That was for you.
He seems like a nice guy.
feel really bad. I'm sorry.
why? I'm actually streaming it live
Oh, you are?
on Twitch right now. It's on Twitch?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on Twitch right now.
There's no teenager that does not know Twitch.
Really?
There is no teenager that does not know Twitch. I've been wanting to sample that out. So he does something even funnier. There's a part 2 to this conversation. And I want to see, where's the chat go? The fuck? Where's the chat? Did I erase it? No. Right click on your clip and create new tight time. Oh, okay, cool. Hold up. Mint Arcade's mouse, ladies and gentlemen. Aww. New mouse. Now my game dev will be much better. The silver crest. Nice. The silver crest, except it's black. Nice, dude. So what games did you get your kids? Are they the kind that you can kind of like play yourself? Like they think it's for them just because it's Lego Harry Potter, but you actually want to play it and actually yourself, or what? So he got a mouse. That's what we want to see. Some freaking. Getting up there. So we got a mouse, soap, keyboard, phone. I don't know. I think it's gonna be hard to beat soap. In fact, I think we may need to have a beat the soap contest for the stream. You're gonna have to. I mean, that's well. Days, did you say you got underwear, but they don't have Superman pictures on them? That won't count. That won't beat rainbow soap. No minty green. I'm gonna try that right click just right now. Way to manage your mice. I've been freaking trying. I have this armadillo running around my house, and I've been trying to get some pictures of it. It's just so hard to get. Good job, Striker. Oh. What? Was it you that got underwear for Christmas? Cause. All right, he says create and right clip and right clip. I'm doing right click. All right, he said. I don't know if I did it right. Right click on your clip. Okay. New timeline using selected clips. Number of video tracks. I have to pick that in advance? That's stupid. I'm assuming that is a mistake. Use selected mark in and out. Oh. Let's set the in and out. Is this the in? No. What's that? Oh, is this the scrubber? Alright. In. There it is. Okay.
Really?
Barely say you've seen that right. Barely say you've seen that right.
Do you watch it at all, Twitch? I'm actually streaming it live.
Here, just so you guys know, this is what. Did you see the stream on Friday? I went to this color Christmas color. That's me on my hand right there. This is me. I streamed this on Twitch in the IRL channel.
What up, smooth dog.
Actually, I don't want to let that go because that's going to be freaking not royalty-free music. This is just the tunnel part. There was a lot to it. It wasn't just the tunnel.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's
Pretty
good.
crazy.
I mean, I know it's cool.
All right. I want to see.
Yeah, I use it sometimes.
Ruining it. You made it better.
You gotta hug.
Can you guys dance?
I'm in with the man.
Like do like a Chris Vince thing?
First they
This is.
This is a stream from my phone.
No music now though. All the music is at the front. Well, do you see like the drops from the sky?
Just want to see this one part. And then we'll move on. I'm checking out this tool. I'm liking it. I really am liking it. I'm so glad I discovered it. Thanks for keeping the secret. Yes.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Angie, do you want a hug? This is my.
That in a bit. Okay. Cool. I don't know. We don't need to see any more editing. We're done. We don't need to see any more editing. Like your mom? Like your dog. Aw. Okay. So we're gonna keep moving. I want to call this this integration of the experience points for donation done. Let me just wait. What happened? Wait, what? It just pop. Oh my god! It just. Oh, fucking stupid. Fucking reset window layout. That's the layout? Where's the output pane? Apply window layout. What? Whatever. Okay. Am I forgetting something? No! I'm not. This is the order. This is the order. Say woof woof, bitch. Damn. Wow. The I want to see if there's a function that finds a user data structure by name. Let me just check real quick. Here it is, get user data. We found it. We're almost done. We can, I think we just go user library dot. And just do like that. And it returns a user data of user data. If user data not null, can't do that. No, if not equal null. Then we're going to add experience points. We're going to do the donation amount. Is that an int? So I don't know if it's in pennies or it's a float. We'll just assume it's in pennies. We're going to do the donation amount times 100 is the and then we'll send a message. No. The thing that's sad is I won't be able to test it. I mean, we could figure out how to fake some donations, and I think we have done that before, but we'll move on. I'll write it and message send. Almost done. You see what I'm doing, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure you see exactly what I'm doing. The Good Idea Company, welcome back. We'll just call it like this. Message send didn't work? All right. So that didn't work. Donation.amount didn't work because why? Cannot convert float to int. I wonder if I fuck it. Do it your way. I just how do you static cast in let's call this XP award. All right, I think that's it. Getting up in 7 hours. Oh, wow. Mint has to go. Awesome, Mint. I miss you already. What's up, Good Idea Company? I'm currently, well, you should be able to see what category I'm in Beam itself, right? I mean, why are you asking me? You can't tell? I'm live right now. But, no, I don't, I only have 40 follows on Beam. So it's still a discovery process. And honestly, like, a good, at least half of them are from this Twitch channel, if not 2/3 or 3/4. But everyone should have different results. I mean, you know. I'm on the development channel to answer your question. Okay. I think this work is, I'll just build it and then we'll move on to the next project. Oh, we did add this map. Yeah, that's fine for now. Let's move on anyways. We'll come back. So Good Idea Company, if you've been streaming that much on Beam, I'm sorry I missed you on it. You want to paste your Beam link? Maybe go to see me on Beam, paste in your Beam link, then you can see what category I'm in, and we'll all follow if we're Beamers, for us Beamers. Just an idea. Merry Christmas, by the way. The thing that would really get the chat hype, well, me hype, is we are trying to exchange pictures of what we got for Christmas. And DayZ, the sergeant of DayZ, got a new keyboard. Rainbow Kappa 789 got a new phone. The S brothers got rainbow soap, the neon soap, and Mint got a Silvercrest mouse. That's where we're at right now. Rainbow Kappa, will I play your games? I'll play your game right now. And then I'll do Strikers. Is that good enough, Striker? Will you be here? I don't know. Maybe you don't know. Here, I have an idea to get some more people to watch us play your games. Let's see. Watch this. It's a way to get some more people in here to look. You want people to see your game too sometimes. No, I want to do, no, that's not it. Oh, I'm rich. I'm gonna make $6. Okay. Let's see. Let's do what's Orange Sky's video? as this video. Here, Facebook post. Want a video of your game? Free video of your game. Final, beta, alpha, pre-alpha, pre-alpha is okay. We'll do it live for you right. We'll do it live right in front of you. We'll do it live for you at twitch.tv. Here's an example of what we can. Here is an example. Here is a recent example. Let's get rid of this one, and let's see here. I'm just gonna throw a quick little spam little thing here just as a test. Always get the channel hype. Fuck you. No. Oh, gosh damn it. I hate when that happens. Facebook doesn't grab the thumbnail unless you do this. There. Now it'll work. Rainbow Kappa, get your popcorn ready. We're about to play. All right. That's fine. Here. Want. There. Okay, we'll just try that post for now. And we'll let's fucking commit the. Did I build the showmaster? I did, right? Can't remember. Fuck. Build to 7:44 p.m. Yeah, that's it. Let's run the newest one. We're shutting down showmaster and we're getting into playing your games. And we're gonna do some more dev and more dev. Jello, what's up, Polar Bear Animations? Dude, Merry Christmas. We're having an exciting game dev stream. We just finished some overlay work for the stream in Unity. We're going to play a couple devs games right now. But on top of all that, we're sharing little images of any gifts for Christmas. And they could go anywhere from soap to keyboards to whatever you like. So I really do hope that you would share. Welcome. I'm going to just test this little map feature added to the chat real quick. It's not that great. All right. So the S Bros, I don't know if you can hear me. You know what's going on with that map? Yeah, no, I'm going to pop it up again. You know what's going on with that map? I haven't totally designed this out, and this might just be another whimsical idea that we don't execute. But I'm thinking about, this map doesn't necessarily represent the world that our RPG is going to be on solely. I'm thinking about putting our projects on the map, Game Dev Heroes, Game Dev Streamer Awards, Lindell's Bones, Steampunk VR. Shoot, I was covering up your welcome back. I apologize. Oh, it's not too late. Is it too late? Welcome back to Rosa 19. Yeah, Polar Bear, absolutely we program. Absolutely. This is a hardcore programming game dev stream. And I'm thinking about putting the projects on the map and having the center as like the holy of like, it's just going to be a pot of gold and the projects are going to be game pieces. Is that how weird? I'm thinking about using an RPG game board as a project management tool, dude. I came up with that idea last night watching Warcraft. I just saw the Warcraft. For Christmas, what I wanted to do was watch Warcraft for my first time with chocolate, hot chocolate, and marshmallows, which I haven't had in a minute. Times 500,000. And that's what I did. All right. So let's. Did the map turn? Let's. Not free video of your game. Did I post it wrong, Despros? The stupid message. I'm not surprised. Did I screw that up, dude? Oh my god. Oh, whatever. It looks good enough to me. Yeah, well, we do Unity, Unreal, Lumberyard, HTML5 apps, and... Oh, I got a gem to show you guys. I got a fucking gem. Let me cue that up. Don't worry, we won't segue, but just let me cue it up. Oh, I got a gem. We're also going to take a look at this engine in just a minute. All right. Just forgot about that. Yeah. All right. I use batch files. RK, I'm about to get it off itch right now. So what's this, Tarosa? Do I hear about Robot Method 1? I saw this post earlier. I didn't understand it. Kind of makes me think that I haven't heard about it. Is that a programming? Is that the new Scrum? Ooh. Let's take a look. You are more subs? I missed the A. Lols. Can I program in PHP? Absolutely. PHP goes with like all phone dev because in the end you end up having a leaderboard and a login and you almost kind of need it. Unless you want to get ripped off. It's an avatar style robot. Walking robot can be rode. It's real in a man robot. There's a video on YouTube too. Let's take a look. Behold the future. The first mech. You call mechs avatar style robots? I can respect that. I worked on MechWarrior 2, the network version, so I'm kind of partial to calling them mechs. Up high. Fuck. And we gotta have royalty free. Fuck, dude. They gotta use stolen footage. Fuck. What was your test in South Korea? I like that sideways motion, the side, the strafing. I mean, I'm not sure what to say other than, like, I don't... Oh, was that not a royalty-free song? Figures. I'm not really that impressed. I mean, to me, it doesn't sound like a complicated thing to produce. I mean, if you want to take the time out and build it, I honestly think that robots with AI is tough. Making robots that can walk. I mean, admittedly, there's not a ton of them out there, but in a weird way, a forklift kind of is. Kind of. I love that you're a fan of that, and please keep us abreast of all exciting mech stuff. I'm not blown away. I'm not super impressed. In fact, the video they showed, they only all I saw was the feet walking. I don't even, backwards. There was a bug and it only walked backwards. No, but that's cool. I mean, yeah, in the future, are there going to be man-made, avatar design mechs? Yeah, to do work. Construction, are they going to be used in the military? Yeah. That shit ain't made up. Is the design of a two-legged thing superior to a tank treads or to an AT-AT like with 4 or weird like inflatable type? I mean, how they actually, what the optimum way of locomotion, I think, is still TBD, because the Mars rover deals with it a lot, right? Like, they shoot this thing to Mars, they need it to never get stuck, and so they put they put a lot of thought in making sure it can go over any terrain, I guess. So yeah, is the preferred product gonna be that? Well, TBD, but I think it makes reasonable sense. It looks like a good shape that could hold. When you're a mech, all of a sudden you don't need to be limited to 2 arms anymore. You don't even need to be limited to arms. I mean, it's just like once you're a mech, now we can really start playing with how does it move, what does it do, where does it carry, where does it store. So, but yeah, that thing looked like it couldn't go very far for very long. This is what I saw. Looks like I'm getting a comment on that Facebook post. Let's take a look. Sure. Hi, Andre. Feel free to meet me at twitch.tv, and we can even do it for you right now. Okay. What Stryker was saying. Yeah, Stryker was kind of reading my mind. What Stryker was saying. But you know in Aliens, when she, in the second one, when she threw the alien out with that kind of like man horse, that forklift thing, I thought that was kind of a practical design in a way. Hold on a second, I'm hearing some noise. Hold on. It was the cleaning maintenance crew. Right. Yeah. Yeah, in combat, yeah, not so good, right? Well, in Star Wars, they had the AT-ATs, and they even had two-legged AT-ATs. And you saw, like, the, not the Wookiees, those, what are those, the miniature Wookiees called again? You know what I'm talking about. Take care of them with logs. I mean, I realize it's total fiction there, but those scenes did kind of show weaknesses of the design. Yeah, all right, what Taros is saying. Tarosa, you're not interrupting. You know what would love, though? Shatter! And you too, Shatter. We would love an imgur or an image of something you got for Christmas. I don't understand, Polar. I thought you were into dev. Alright. We gotta play Striker's game. I have to do this commit. What's going on? How come Polar Bear Animations started trolling? Why? Is he just excited about the maybe it's called mech porn and he loves the mech so much. Is it gonna cut off his head? Minecraft shorts. Well, that says White Prisma Studios, not you. That's a polar bear. Blender Minecraft rig live.
Hey, wanna go mountain biking? My phone doesn't work.
Wait, this is a 4-hour video. Wait. With 3 hours of this screen. I'm not sure. No, that's fine. Here's a walk animation, 14 seconds. Let's take a look. Aww. Good job. Created by Blue Bear Animation. So that's by Blue Bear. And this one's by... The Flying Sword is by... White Prisma. Okay. Awesome, man. I'll give you a sub. Here. I'll even hit like on those two. Boom. There you go. Pleasure meeting you. Okay. I am going to play your game. I have some pepperoni here. Okay, I got to commit this stuff real fast. So we can... commit, 2 new welcome back audios. Map. RPG hexagon map. There. Okay, I had to get that out of the way. We're almost there. We're almost there. Should have worked. You're welcome. What up, Shadow? How's Topcaster doing? Great question. You mean good? Do you want to see the upvotes or just in general? All right, I'm gonna play Striker's game super fast because he's going to sleep, and then we'll do Rainbow Kappas right after. You'll see a lot more Topcaster dev throughout every day, like every show. I'm actually converting the. I'm actually making a project management system RPG to try to kind of make it more fun to track when things are being done. Where is? I thought I installed it. Here it is, Crimson Prime. And I know you did donate a Striker, and you are a higher priority, but in an attempt to try to make everyone happy, and only can do one thing at a time. The guy that's staying up for an hour, we're gonna do it. Apec asks, is it worth to invest in a camera to take photos of scenery for texture maps? Well, what's wrong with your phone camera, Apec? You mean because you want to zoom in more? Polar Bear is working on a big project with much better animations that will publish in 1 week. Cool. Come back and I'll play it on. I'll play your video on stream. Apec, I love the idea. But to answer your question, what you could ask yourself is, how many textures do you need? I love the idea. I mean, but as far as an investment, when you're asking, should I, if you're only going to take 10 pictures in a year, no. Rent it that one day. If you're going to I love the idea. I financially, that's a different question. But yeah, making your own texture maps with cameras, I think is awesome. Fucking awesome. We can get in more into the details. How come it's not there? Here it is. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Just checking this out. Let me write something down here. I might make this video for you right now. It depends. One day after Christmas, we have Crimson Prime's pre-alpha 0.011. Let's do it. Welcome to a public pre-alpha test build of Crimson Prime. Controls: WASD, space, crouch, left, fire. Cycle through fire mode. Why you cycle through weapons. Andy, RST. And I also saw someone else saying some kind words. Biangdo. It's from Wakefield Studios with a pre-alpha game. We'd be an honor for you to check out one day. I can do it today. How's that? Thank you, Polar Bear, for that sub. Thank you. Right mouse iron sights, right mouse hold the zoom, toggle the ACOG. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not hip enough. What's ACOG, Striker? Is it a type of gun? Change ACOG magnification. This menu. Any suggestions are appreciated. Keep in mind as a test build. There are bugs. Just walk left for 10 seconds. Odin's Beard Man. Close this and go have some fun. Odin's Beard Man. Let's walk left for 10 seconds. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000. Ooh, I like the sound. Is that the bug? We'll run it again. ACOG's a scope. Got it. Oh, we definitely need to crouch. Oh, crouch test complete. Okay, cool. So, yeah, no, this is nice. Whoa. Did you make this gun? How do I change gun? Oh, this is cool, dude. No, I like it a lot. I like the look of it. And I like the whole fucking thing. Let me try these far ones. Bitch. Take this. Haha. Oh, no, I like it. Cycle through fire modes. Okay. I pushed V. Oh, what is this fire mode? Nothing? No, some fire mode. Oh. Can I run? Yeah. Oh, this is really high. Iron sights. Toggle the scope. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. No, you've been really doing the damn thing. Good job, dude. Okay, I don't... Oh, crap. I didn't mean to escape. Let me try one more time. Good job. I mean, it's clearly that you've been focusing on the mechanic of the gun. God darn it. Oh, crap. I hate when that happens. That's that weird Unity thing that... Where if you're holding on to the title bar while it's starting to run, I don't know, that happens to me all the time. I should just wait. Let's try the ACOG. Let's try a different gun mode here. Alright. What's that red dot over there? And let's see if we can zoom more. Ooh, look, what's that? I missed it. Oh man, that's gonna be a hard shot. Yeah. But the other one I could do it. This one's easier. It's easier without it. Good job. Did you do ray casting for the bullets? No, I like a problem you can run into with this stuff is that your target is a little off because of where the model is and it actually feels really good, dude. Like it really feels like the bullet's going where the reticle is. I'm out of bullets? I think I'm out of ammo. Oh, stupid. Hold right mouse button to steady. Oh. Alright. Ah, hype. I'm out of bullets. I'll do that one more time. We don't have Unity pro right now. We are doing a Game Dev Streamer Awards, and I'm trying to get a game pro license as a man. Look way over there as a prize. Thought I saw something with a green dot before. Was it over here? Oh no, it was my gun. Biango, falling, thank you. I'm about to check the chat right now and see if you're gonna let us check out your game now, live. Let me just try a couple more scope shots and we'll call this done. Am I missing anything, Striker? I don't know what that red dot is. Looks like it's going to take me a while to get over there. I like this mode. I could... What does this do? The comma? I'm not sure. Oh, that's this part. Oh, that's so cool. Wow, you're really into your guns, man. No, I like it. It's great. It's very clear that you're into the gun. And you should be. It's good. Press Y or U. Ooh. The AK kick. Got it. Let's try. Alright. And I can put the sniper scope on this. Got it. Got it. I'm out of bullets again? What? Oh, there's the ammo right there. The green dots. Duh. How do you reload? You know, honestly, this is better than I was expecting. As someone that follows your game, I didn't know you had it this tight. I mean, I know you put a lot of heart and soul. I remember when you coded your very first scope. Like, I remember it. It's tight. I mean, it actually feels like you have guns in here and you put a lot of work into it. Oh, we got reload. Not in the help menu? Good. Did you do all the animations yourself? You did, right? If I remember correctly, you modeled all this yourself, too. Feature. I know, I should have just pushed R. The reason why I did it, because it wasn't on the help menu. Yeah, I know it's R. What cool feature am I missing? I've crouched, jumped, fired. I've done a ton of scoping. Oh, an AK fire mode? I didn't try that. Yeah, the AK in one of my games on PC did the up is kind of that way too. It's just a way to make them kind of different, really. Sort of like real life. Restart, go to the beginning. You got it. Equip the AK. Okay. Okay. Is there a grenade launcher? Enable the ACOG. Roll the mouse wheel and put the magnification on max and try to hit the furthest target. Like, it actually shot that second one. Come on, I hit it. I'm hitting it. No? I feel like I hit it. What is that green dot? That's a... I'm gonna miss that one. I just... Yeah? Ah. Nice. Whoa. Wait. Okay. It's not the green thing, right? I mean, that would be... Oh, it's like that high? I think I got it. I did get it. Look, here we go. Boom, got one. I got it. Got that one. Good job. All right, what else, Striker? Last target is 800 millimeters. I'm sorry, 800 meters away. Equip the laser rifle and hold fire button and release. Okay. Ooh, I love these, all right? Nice, dude. I didn't get that. Was that the lasers fall down too? Come on. I hit that like a boss. I got it. I got it. I think maybe I... Nice. Maybe it's just so fast. Nice. No, it's beautiful. Nice job, dude. I think the chat is digging it too. Good job. Okay. What do you call this game again? Is it Crimson? Prime? Or is that the name of your studio? Well, good job. Good job. All right. Let's see where else we are. There's been some exciting things. We got a message from Andy. I made an indie game for iOS and Android. Is it possible to review on channel or prepare? Absolutely can do Android and iPhone, no problem. Prefer Android if have a choice. You ready soon? I think I missed some good chats. Let me just check. So Biango, I saw him earlier. He says from Wakefield Studios, the pre-alpha game. We'd be honored to check it out. And I do have. I'll load up itch for you, Kappa. Maybe just a peck about the textures with the phone. Maybe just practice with a camera phone or a camera you can get your hands on until you really feel like you've outgrown it. It's broken due to a UI remodel. I see. Not funny guy. We want to Is it maybe? What up, Dozer? That was Funny Guy's game. I think I got Rainbow Kappa's game, no problem. I got it. I thought it was gonna be on the itch client. Oh, hold on. I keep slipping up. Ooh, Dave Sargent, incoming Whopper trophy for DayZ. Thank you so much, dude, for tweeting me out, bro. That's like the coolest. Thank you. Let's make, I'm just pulling up Rainbow Kappas. I thought I could use the itch client and maybe, let me just try here for fun. Yeah. This is it, right? Click to restart, not apply update. Okay, cool. Later. Ah, dungeon team. What's a password? Oh, there was a HUD. These are his other guns. So now it's all coming together. I've been watching Stryker build that game since day one. I did not know that he was making it that tight. I think we got to give him a lot of credit and respect for his approach to game dev. He's just going straight for, let me make these guns awesome before he does anything else. I think that is so brilliant of him. That's a really good approach to game. Okay. Dungeon team. Whoa. What did I just walk into? Welcome to Dungeon Team. Join the forum. Connected to global chat. Hello. Wow. Armory, arena, shop, and altar. Wow. I was not expecting this. I got a big heart for browser-based games that, you know, use a little bit of ASCII style. Man, oh man, where to start? I'm gonna goof around a little bit. Pixie dust. Gold. I thought this would turn off the music, it didn't. I'm anonymous. Man, look at all these cool classes. Let's go into the armory. The arena. Ooh. Wait, I didn't even pick anything yet, bro. What? What? Ooh, zooming with the mouse. Yeah, I'll resign. I got defeated. %? Well, that's not 100. Did I crash it? I think I defeated and I blew it. Let's retry it. Alright. There's a lot of good choices here. Let's just see what we can do. Let's add a warlock. Oh, how much pixie dust do I have? 100? Let's see our options. Okay, they're all 10. Alright, let's do it. We're gonna unlock. I'm not sure. We're gonna have a warlock, an assassin. Look at these characters. They're like animated ASCII characters. A dreamsmith, a paladin, a ranger. I gotta have me a ranger. 50. Shit. How much is a knight? 50. Let's do a knight. I don't know. Let's see what we can get in the armory. Edit. So cool, bro. This is like really creative feeling. Shop. Can I buy some health potions? No. Altar? No. Alright, let's go into the arena. 1 versus 1. Oh, Zin Zang is against me. Okay. I got green bar. Attack. Let's target his head. His chest. Feet. Whoa. Take this. Melee attack. Okay. Target. Okay. Let's try just waiting. I'll try waiting. No. Hero editing broken. Shop broken. Do you guys know how to... do this again in a couple weeks? I'm getting the feeling that you don't want a video of this build right now. As cool as the presentation blew us away. Am I right? Well, I really, really like what I think I speak for everyone. This is a very, very interesting project in that I want to play it. Like I really want. I'm bummed I can't play it right now. I love what you're doing. Like I really enjoy hacking games, and this has, in a weird way, that kind of hacking feel, but it's, you know, turn-based combat game. It's pretty cool. Uh-oh. DayZ gets another one. For tweeting us out. Is that the one? Or oh, is that the same one? I think that's the same one. Whatever, you get two, bro. But more importantly, the real trophy goes to our new game dev bro with this awesome game. Is the game called Dungeon Team? Good job, man. I really like the style. It's clear you're like not someone to be messed around with. Like you really have some creativity going on. You're not just somebody walking up being like, you know, I got this idea. I want to make like Angry Birds, but like you're a pig, and then you hit birds. And I like that, dude. That you really brought it. You really brought it. Looks like you've been working on this for a little while too. Everyone loved the music. Yeah, did you answer where the music came from? Let's see. I think Sergeant asked. You got it. You got it. We're gonna play Rainbow Kappa's game now. Ah, so yeah, it is custom. Like that's relevant. He's actually Swedish. Okay. All right. We're looking at Failticity Plus. I'm already following him. A new and improved edition of the original Failticity. Available here for a price. Experience new levels, mechanics, and ideas come alive in this new Plus edition of Failticity. Failticity Classic Notes. You can directly buy the latest demo and release right here on itch. But if you want specific builds, please contact me on Twitter. Rainbow Kappa 789. How do you tweet me out? Well, there's actually a button on the there's like so many ways. There's actually a button right on the Twitch page. Oh, that ain't it. I'm not saying you have to do this. It's like probably so out of date. I don't know. This click to tweet button. Oh yeah, I gotta change that message. Right on the Twitch page. Well, that'll let you put in any message right there. But yeah, just use Twitter and. It's like what do you mean? Here's our URL, our Twitter now. I'll follow you right now. What's your Twitter? Just click the tweet. I'll follow you right now. Oh yeah, I gotta change that message. Well, that'll let you put in any message right there. But yeah, just use Twitter. And what do you mean? Here's our URL. Biengdo. If you paste your Twitter, I'll follow you right now. Follow you right now. Oh, Wakefield Studios, we got it. That's him. Dude. But yeah, just use Twitter. And what do you mean? Here's our URL. Biengdo. If you paste your Twitter, I'll follow you right now. Creative. Oh, Wakefield Studios, we got it. That's him. With dude, super. Gosh. Super creative. Fantastic music. We just want more. Keep up. Awesome work. Super. Gosh. Super creative. Fantastic music. We just want more. Yes, keep up. Awesome work. Got it. Follow. Let's take a look more at the Twitter. You guys are based in South Korea? That's why that guy I was fighting was written in Korean. Oh, creators of the War of the Shard? Got it. Oh, wait, man, I wasn't kidding. Follow. No shizzle. Let's take a look more at the Twitter. Oh, it's on Congregate? You guys are based in South Korea? That's why that guy I was fighting was
Liberty
written
Mutual
in
stood with me
Korean.
when I was too busy with the
No kidding,
Creators
man.
of the War of
no,
the Shard?
What? Oh, wait, man, I wasn't kidding. No shizzle. Let's take a look more at this. Oh, it's on Congregate? You guys are based in South Korea? Right, because your English is like flawless.
Greetings, Dungeon Team fans. Rob here from Wakefield
This is your
Studios
game
with
too?
another update on development.
Dude.
Today I'm going to show you how you can win a fight without even touching your opponent. Let's go to the arena. Here my Warlock and Invoker are pitted against a, looks like a Knight and a Shaman.
Hold on, we can only do one thing at a time
They
here.
don't stand a chance. Here I'm going to, in lieu of doing any damage on my own, summon
you?
a friendly elf
Or is that
to
too
do damage
personal?
for me. Hi, Mr. Elf. Here comes the
Or are
knight
you-
charging at me, just like a knight would do.
Good job.
And now I'm just going to sit here and charge up mana with Mystic Focus and summon some more creatures to help me do my fighting.
None of that awesome music. Start over.
Do damage for me. Greetings, Dungeon Team fans. Rob here from Wakefield Studios with another update on development. Today I'm going to show you how you can win a fight without even touching your opponent. Let's go to the arena.
All right,
My
I can see
Warlock
you.
and
Yeah.
Invoker
Oh, cool.
are pitted against a, looks like a Knight
That's so
and
cool.
a Shaman.
You made like those little
They don't stand a
characters like
chance. Here I'm going to, in lieu of doing any damage on my own, summon a friendly elf to do damage for me. Hi, Mr. Elf. Here comes the knight charging at me, just like a knight would do. And now
You're
I'm just going to
talented,
sit
man.
here and charge up mana with Mystic Focus and
you're-
summon some more creatures to help me do my
You're
fighting.
talented.
Invoker also, not going to do anything but charge mana.
Oh wait, it says there's
Here
sound, but
comes
I don't
the
hear it.
elf with a bow attack and a poisoned
Holy crap.
weapon.
I,
Again, my
You guys hear
Warlock
sound and I
keep
don't.
charging.
That's weird.
Mystic Focus. And
you're
summon some
Mic
more
test.
creatures to help me do my summoning abilities because they are that. Not going to do anything but charge mana.
oh wait, it says there's sound, but I don't hear
The
it.
elf with me and the poisoned
I don't hear
weapon.
anything.
Again, my
You guys hear
Warlock
sound and I
keep
don't.
charging. Mystic Focus.
You guys hear sound?
Mic test. Creatures to use summoning abilities because they are that. Not going to do anything but charge mana. Me and the
I don't hear anything. You guys hear sound?
for us. Again, my shaman taking damage, but the fairy heals us up
here we go. I
nicely.
found the problem.
We'll charge some more mana just for fun, but I don't think the enemy team is going to last too much longer.
Ah. Okay. Okay, so he's talking.
More attacks.
So we didn't need to ask if he
Again,
was
my
Korean,
shaman taking damage, but the fairy heals us. Greetings, Dungeon Team fan.
because we could hear him.
Some more mana just for fun, but I don't think the enemy team is going to last too much longer.
Alright. I messed everything up. This is all my bad. It was all me. I screwed it all up.
Rob here from Wakefield Studios with another update on development. Today I'm going to show you how you can win a fight without even touching your opponent. Let's go to the arena. Here my Warlock
Later,
and
DayZ.
Invoker are pitted against a, looks like a Knight and a Shaman.
Going to go.
They don't stand a chance. Here I'm going to, in lieu of doing any damage on my own, summon a friendly elf to do damage for me. Hi, Mr. Elf. Here comes the Knight charging at me.
Oh, okay,
just
cool.
like a Knight
They
would
move.
do. And now I'm just going to sit here and charge up mana with Mystic Focus and summon some more creatures to help me do my fighting.
Right, so you're...
Invoker also not going to do anything but charge mana. Here comes the
You're targeting Congregate, right? As your platform, maybe? I
more
fast-forwarded a bit.
attacks.
No, it's really, really cool, man. I don't know. I highly suggest everyone, like, freaking follows you on Twitter or YouTube or... he says he'll be back, too, but just in case he forgets, there he is, Wakefield Studios. Good job. I believed you. I did. Nice. I actually hope you come. I'd love for you to come by when you can and just be able to like meet some more of the the cool devs we have that come by here, man. I mean, you seem to be like, I don't know if you're familiar with my background. Let me just share something. I've shown this a few times on my stream, but it should give you. I got a lot of chords here, so all of them. These are a bunch of console games that I lead programmed, and I have quite a few more. I got some Super Nintendo and some other. And so, I've been streaming GameDev here on Twitch now for more than 2 years. And for Twitch, I put together the last 2 TwitchCons, the GameDev panel, and that I basically moderate. And we do a lot of different type of projects here, from like simple apps to virtual reality. Robin's pointing out, recycle bin and trash can. Yeah, it's one of the things that one of the tips I kind of recommend everyone do is have a folder on your desktop called trash. And when you download something and you know it's temporary, like you already know, like it's a JPEG you're gonna modify, and you don't want to keep it, and it's a zip file you're gonna unarchive, it's an audio file you're gonna, you already know, instead of downloading it to downloads and then moving it to trash maybe later if you don't forget, download straight into trash can. Work from it there and know that every single thing in it is always temporary. And the reason why you do that, and then whenever you want, delete it. The reason why you do that is because you can't work from the recycle bin. So I basically have my own. I highly recommend it. It helps keep your computer clean. You use downloads as your temp folder, right? Yeah. Right. I mean, you know, there's this weird point though where some of your downloads you're gonna end up like the temp folder doesn't have to only be downloads. It could be files that you make locally, the trash can, and then the downloads folder, you might not empty it as often as this folder. You might not. You might have a folder and sit in your downloads folder for 2 years. You might. And another thing, in the downloads folder, a lot of times, like I'm unarchiving straight into trash can, but in your downloads folder, if you start using that as an unzipped destination, you end up like really bloating it out. But I could understand that. That's what. Again, I think there is a benefit to doing this way. This came from just deving so many games with pretty large teams that over a while I just kind of developed this technique to help me out. Thanks, Robin. I appreciate that. Well, Bianco, you really made an impression on us, so it's right back at you. I can tell everyone really liked it. And you don't need to do anything. Just, you're good. Okay. Yeah. Hats off to you, Robin, for even noticing it. Yeah, I changed the icon, and I think you can right-click and change icons for folders. It's really just a folder. Okay. Let's see what we got next. Rainbow Kappa, are you still here? Did I make you wait too long? Rainbow Kappa. Oh, let me see. Did he respond on the Slack? Let's see if he. All right. Well, I don't hear from him. We're gonna take a look at one more thing. This is a friend that I met at. As you know, I run. Well, you may or may not know. I also run I organize the Twitch Tulsa meetup, which means I'm in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and then it's like a Facebook group and a meetup.com, and every month we meet. We kind of partnered with our sister group, Twitch YouTubers, and I met at Twitch YouTubers this crazy freaking programmer, and we're gonna take a look at his video right now. Oh, real quick, let me test the audio settings. All right, we're good. So here's the thing with what you're looking at. His name is Brian B, and so this is called BB Tech. He wrote this entire thing from scratch. Like I don't even know how low level Scratch goes in this case, but this is all his. I think even the texture mapping. He's clearly inspired by the original days of Doom. Yeah, it's all. A lot of people even claim their stuff's from scratch. This is from scratch. Yeah, I can tell just by looking at it, by like the way the texture mapping is behaving. Because I've written this kind of stuff myself back in the day. So now that's a lot of particles, right? So I can't tell if we can see, but part of what I think this has some kind of ridiculous frame rate too, like. Let's see how. Pretty much more of the same. No enemies, huh? So he wrote. I put nice. Oh, by the way, if you guys would love to sub this guy or hit like or anything, here it is. So this is what he wrote. Each projectile emits 1,000 particles, and the plasma gun fires at 10 hertz. What is that? One every 6 seconds or 6 frames? With particles living for about 2 seconds, meaning a peak of typically around 20,000 active particles. Particles have crude physics, an approximate form of elastic collisions, which I had added as a test but didn't expect would be fast enough for real time with this many particles. Note, done purely on the CPU with particles updating every frame. Particles check against the world. Yeah, remember when I was shooting inside the building, or the video was shooting inside the building, they were just coming out the window with a single probe and randomizing the direction of collision and some fudging. There's minimal interaction between particles, given their number, rapid travel, short flight span, doing viably fast and accurate collision detection is non-trivial. Interaction exists is primarily in relation to the distance from the camera and keeping them approximately sorted as opposed to BSP or similar. So I put nice. You know, and support them. He put, yep. Afterwards, made a glass box, which could better show that the particles were in fact constrained, apart from the stream of particles escaping through the opening. Decide the new reply versus appending it to the end. Add, I may be misremembering stuff. For reference, XVID decodes at 170 megapixels per second and H.264 at 540. Right. So, if I remember right, of all the people, he has a harder time. This guy wrote his own video codec because it turned out he couldn't get any of the encoders to really show off his speed of what his thing was doing. Something like that. And I think that's why he's kicking out these numbers. Like, the video encoders weren't fast enough because he's going for a high frame rate. For what it's worth, it appears I currently have a frame decoding latency of around 3 milliseconds. Could be explained partly by the structure of the decoder's work queue system and that IRC windows at 1K kilohertz scheduler. That could also be part of why the decoder seemingly fails to get much more over 30-40% CPU overload. Wow. Higher video resolutions. I don't completely understand. Ah. We were able to tell that they were constrained while watching shooting into the brick building with windows. brick building with windows. But yeah, glass would have been interesting for sure. Would have been cool. Oh wow. Oh wow. Those numbers get me hard. That's actually what I want to write. I don't know, it sounds kind of too like, I don't know him well enough. Those numbers though. There. Good job. I hope you guys liked them or subbed him or something. I'm really glad I came across that earlier. That was pretty exciting. Don't worry. I think this is gonna be the show for today. This after Christmas special. Oh, I see you actually hit like on Facebook. I'm gonna go ahead and add you. You don't have to accept. I just in case. And Bros, wish we got to chat more. Wish we got to do more of this stream. But for the after Christmas special, we're going to close it here. Rainbow Kappa seemed like he bailed. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is right there. Our man, BB. Dude, that's him. Holy crap. I was just taking a look at your game. You found me on YouTube. That's so awesome. Damn, where was it? I want to go back now. Dude. So BB, I was trying to explain why it's called BGB Tech, and I was like, well, I think his middle initial is G. Is that right? Oh man, I feel... You guys, get ready to like that video now. Oh, good. You gotta sub to him now that he's in the room, you guys. That's him right now in the chat. And you know he's tech with descriptions like this. You got some comments from, I think Tarosa wrote, nice voxel graphic. He's good at robot tech too. What did that mean, by the way? Let me go to his channel real fast. Cool. Who's gonna throw a like and or a sub onto BGB Tech so I can thank them personally? Please let me just prove that we have community and we do stick together. Please. I know it's kind of light in here on the day after Christmas, and me already announced that I'm ending the show. But for any straggler, Tarosa, you got my back? Can you do a like on here? What up, Simon? Merry Christmas, Simon. Aha. G is your middle initial. Cool. Just want to see if one community member will throw a little love to BGB Tech so he'll be excited to come back. I'll keep it. He added, I guess he has 20,000 particles that are doing physics inside. You see them kind of like hitting the wall and hitting this wall, bouncing off. We're doing good. Want to just get one like at least for this. So, one quick question, Brian. I'm sorry, Brendan. When you say this engine is made from scratch, can you explain that to us? Like, I've made engines from scratch myself. To me, that means you're writing. Well, it depends whether or not you use CPU or GPU. How much GPU does your game use, and how do you use it? I guess is a better question. Sure. Simon with some Christmas love. By the way, Simon, we were doing a little thing earlier that if you got to send in your images of any cool Christmas present you got, we got, and that goes for you too, Brandon. We're really looking for pictures of anyone's Christmas presents. We got, oh man, I accidentally lost the folder. Here, oh, quick, community, Xmas. We got Daisy got a keyboard. Rainbow Kappa got a phone. The S Brothers got a rainbow soap. And Mint Arcade got a mouse, for example. That sound, though. That audio, though. Also, BGB, did you draw this? Okay. So the truth about your codec is you did it because your PC was too slow. Yeah. I love that story. I mean, it's kind of, you don't really meet a lot of game devs that are like writing their own codec because they're having a problem with the ones they have. Okay, so you are using OpenGL. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. So the texture mapping is done in OpenGL. You don't actually, because I've written texture mapping on the CPU, and that to me is just like Doom. You know Doom? The original Doom was not using a graphics card. Well, it was. Or maybe you're doing the same thing. I've written, what up, Smooth Dog? Thanks for coming by my Christmas light stream the other day. I've written basically Doom. Let's say the texture mapping, all custom artwork. Good. Well, it's a pleasure to have you in our chat today, man. I've been I'll look forward to demoing every single thing that you do. You know what would really get me hot though is if a possibility of actually playing your. I don't know if this interests you. If you like, I'm offering to play your game, even if it's enemy AI list or whatever. It's fine, and then you'll have a cool video of somebody else for once. Here we go. Smooth Dog. Partridge in a pear tree. Nice. So, you know what's funny, Smooth Dog? Before you were, now own Streamer Games. Before you were in here, I was like, when I first announced it, I was like, okay, so just share what you got. It could be anything from like Soap to Watch Dogs 2. I actually, the game I use as an example of a game that somebody got, I think I said keyboards to, you actually got the game I was predicting. How funny is that? That's too funny. You can hear part of the reason why I'm shutting it down early is to get my voice time to heal. Good job, dude. You like it too, Tarosa? Yeah. You did your own software OpenGL. Right. Yeah, that's right. I understand. Robin asks, the question is how the F sharp you managed to run Visual Studio but not the video codec. Gotcha. You guys are hilarious. Man, this stream is starting to really pick up. Well, I guess we're waiting for Simon's pictures. Good job. And not just some ballin' socks. Socks are cool. We have a contest, Beat the Soap contest. And deodorant. What is it, rainbow deodorant? Because that would be really something. Robin, it was a pleasure meeting you. And Robin, this is for you. Merry Christmas. All right, Simon. You got our full attention. I was planning on going a little longer, but I think this will be perfect. Spray on. Brandon, you got a new computer for Christmas, dog? I think you're the winner. Really? BGB. You got a new motherboard and CPU. What kind of CPU did you get? So, what do you think about your codec now? Thank you for that follow, Robin, on live coding, by the way. You did what you said. I respect it. Yeah, spray on. I can't use it. They have like, it hurts. There's like too much alcohol in it or something. An AMD FX 8350. Good. Good. We just watched the AMD's the Ryzen CPU announcements live on this stream just last week. Late last week. Yeah, it doesn't work. Man, I'm into my deodorant. As you guys know, I'm part owner of a skincare company, and I'm big time into all things like dermatology and based. And I gotta tell you, hands down, that modern style of deodorant that you only need to do 3 clicks or 2 clicks. I know Old Spice makes a ton of it. It doesn't have alcohol in it, and you only have to put it on like once every 3 days. That shit is amazing. And even if you're like a sweaty pig, because I'm like in the middle. Like there's like heavy sweaters and then there's light sweaters. I'm kind of in the middle. In fact, when I'm using the phone, if the conversation at all is getting heated, I'm like, I start breaking out. What up? You didn't miss nothing. I'm actually trying to close it down. I'm waiting for, Simon said he was going to take some pictures. I think I'm going to ask him to come back tomorrow. It was great to see him. This really is the end of the show. But we will be back tomorrow. You can count on it. And we're going to do more post-Christmas, pre-New Year streaming. Let's take a look at the schedule a little bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's going to be a beautiful streaming week. We'll be live every day this week. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. New Year's, as much as I want to spend it with you guys, I will be spending it with Dazzler. Part of the job of being in a relationship. Oh. So you know what time it is. It was a pleasure to meet all the new people, all the devs, all the old people. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas. It's not too late. I'd like to see other gifts of images throughout the week. The S brother, I hope you got. I hope we're still a team, man. You've been pretty quiet. I don't know. I don't know what he's up to. And looking for one thing. This stupid. Let me try a faster way to do this. Ah, there it is. Merry Christmas. Even though it's after Christmas, it still feels like Christmas. You know what I mean?